Let's do some karmic reading today and see what this universe has to talk to you about. What are these challenges or these energies trying to speak? And with some sign and sync, let's go ahead and see. You might, oh, this could be for that tiny little girl, or for the woman in you, for the child in you, more of a child in you. So yes, these energies are trying to talk about the inner child, the freedom that you're seeking. Birds could be significant. You're looking out, you are seeing more of different kind of birds, and they are trying to talk to you about something. So let's go ahead and decode these energies. There is a key coming your way. There is a key solution coming your way, a key coming your way. Some of you are traveling, some of you are shifting, moving out, and the solution is here. Butterflies could be significant. Again, you're getting the wings that you have been looking out for. So yes, talking about freedom, talking about the transformation, the inner child transformation, and talking about the solutions. You are getting everything 111 on the timer, and the beautiful heart is here. Beautiful heart is here. Yeah, you're healing. You are healing. You're meeting your timeline. You're meeting people who are healing your heart big time. You have been someone who has been healing others, and now is the time that universe is healing you by sending in some kind of support towards you, which has already taken place for some of you. But then the solution is coming in, and if it has not yet happened, it is coming your way certainly. Let's go ahead and check the energies of the collectives and what is it that universe is trying to say. This card has been coming out, slipping out. Acceptance. Acceptance. You can win anything and everything by just simply accepting certain situations, letting go of what is not serving. Again, this let go transformation phase. 42 number could be significant. Number 444222 could be significant to you all. Energies are trying to say that accept. What is it that you need to accept? What kind of chakra is healing? I'm wearing green today. I was called to wear this color. So yes, heart chakra is expanding. Heart chakra is expanding. Heart chakra is healing at the moment. Okay. Your crown chakra upgrades. Wow. This is beautiful. All the cards are indeed. Color green, color yellow, color white would be significant to you all. Whoever is listening to this reading, you are divinely protected. Your crown chakra is getting upgraded. The bird again here, the freedom that you're looking out for, you are getting that freedom by accepting the flow, by accepting and trusting the flow. What I'm listening for some of you. So you might be someone who is still finding it difficult to accept. Should I trust this? Should I go ahead with this? Whatever question has popped up again in your mind while you're watching this readings, you throat chakra blocks. Yeah, you're not able to express it out in the right way. You're not able to speak or communicate to the people. So many of you might be in a situation like others are in so much of trouble. How can I talk to them about my problems? How can I tell them about not problems as well, or how can I tell them that this is professional thing, so I need to charge you for this, or this is there is some kind of understandings others problem and not trying to express, not able to express your things because of that. So there is some kind of situation where you are trying to control or hesitating enough to take that step, take that bold step, whatever this is. Already this thing is in your mind. So universe is saying that it's okay to trust. It's okay to give your energies in the right direction. It's okay to charge what you deserve. It's okay to take a stand for yourself. This is what universe is putting you up back to back into the situation where it is trying to tell you it's okay to trust the flow. And if someone leaves, it's perfectly fine. You don't have to stick back to these people. Your crown chakra is activated. You are someone who's divinely protected. You or yourself are getting downloads. So trust your downloads. Again, I'm seeing there are too many noises around you. 444 again is going to happen on the timer. And now here we go. We are someone who is getting a signal, but at times we are not able to accept that signal, and the biggest reason behind that is we feel that this is not our intuition speaking, but these are the influential noises around us. There is a slight difference between what you're watching on social media, what you're capturing, what you're being influenced from the exterior world, or and rather what is coming as a download. So the simple way to understand what is coming as a download is to ask yourself again and again. I repeatedly say this, I have talked about it in my previous videos also, that ask yourself what is more aligned step. Now, the breakthrough is here. You are finding someone, you are going through an inner discovery. Yes, the inner child, it is more about your inner child. We are going to take more cards onto this to check the energies, of course. The inner child, the divine connection. Some of you are going to experience some magical movement in coming days, or whenever you watch this video. It would be within 24 hours to 48 hours what I'm listening. You are 42 hours in particular, you are going to experience something magical, as in, I don't know where this came in from. How did this resolve on its own? I was not planning to do this. I did not take a single step, but this happened. So your problems are getting solutions even without you putting in efforts. One, even without you understanding how to do it, you are getting a sign within next 42 hours in particular to 48 hours is what I'm listening. You are divinely protected. Please cut the cords. Some of you are still stuck with people understanding, I don't know how to say no. It's okay if you're not able to, just distance yourself. Just try to save your energies, distance yourself. Don't go behind them. If they are someone who are trying to distance or who is trying to make you feel low, whoever this person is, for some of you there are certain energies around you that is making you feel low, that is dimming your light, trying to tell you what to do, what not to do, and that is making you feel suffocated. Okay, I'm good enough, I know how to do it. Your intentions are not bad. Such a quick one. Your intentions are not bad. You are trying to help others, but people are judging you. There are judgments around you, and it's perfectly fine to let go of that judgment. It's perfectly fine not to take their judgment as yours, not to take their views as yours. You have your own wisdom. You need to trust yourself. Yes, stop taking people's judgment and stop working on them. In the sense, many times when we are in dilemma, when we are confused, what we do is we ask n number of people around us, or people whom we trust, of course. We go ahead and take their suggestion, but their suggestion does not really fit with us, with our situation. We might vent it out, we might express it out, but end of the day it does not make us feel really comfortable. But because we have taken the suggestion and this particular person has a better connection with us, we feel, I asked them, and they are saying this, maybe they are right, and because I'm in confusion, I might not be taking the right decisions. So you end up lowering your own mindset, dimming your own light, and more of listening to the exterior world, or more of concentrating and focusing on what that particular person, that loved one. I'm not saying they are wrong. They could be right in their own space. You are right in your own space. But not everyone can wear your shoe and guide you the right things. So understand, actions that you're taking, are they influential? Are they taking place because you're influenced by others, people, judgments, or they are saying something, social media, whatever this is? Are you taking decisions that are more aligned, that are coming from within, or are you deciding because someone else told you to take certain steps? If someone else has told you to take certain steps, it's not going to work out, because then that is somewhere against you and there is a clash inside you. There would be certain energies that will clash, that would make you feel more suffocated and dissatisfied. So do something what is coming from within. Yes, many a times we need to take counseling, we need to ask someone, but always in such situation, ask someone you're not emotionally attached with. Could be professional counselors, could be professional healers, anyone who is professional. Why there are professional people out there? Because they always treat you without attachment. And if you cannot go towards a professional person, perfectly fine, but ask a random person then someone you love or you are very much close with. Take professional help if you are in dilemma. That's the right way of answering your questions. And you're certainly meeting someone who would be able to help you without judging. Stay away from judgments. Understand one thing, no matter how good, how close the friendship could be, relationship could be, people do judge. And because they judge, and they are not wrong. Even you would judge it, even I would judge it. But how the judgment comes is because of the previous experience. You would have changed. You would have worked on your inner self. You have definitely changed, risen up. Watching such videos itself is a sign. You are attracted towards such videos itself is a sign that you are someone who's willing to learn, who is willing to grow, who is willing to upskill yourself, awaken your inner child, and do whatever to just move towards close towards your purpose. So yes, you are awakening every single day, honey. You are someone who is growing, who is always working on yourself. So stop asking people who you are very close with. Now again, many a times we end up taking previous experiences, like this person didn't really do well during that phase of her life or his life, so they might not be able to take this right now. But the fact is, you have grown so much, you have outgrown those situations which actually took you off, and not everyone is aware of it. Not everyone is a well-wisher. Many a times people do wear masks. They are jealous. There is some kind of envy. I mean, jealousy in terms of we sailed the same boat, went to the same school or whatever this is. And now this person is glowing better than me. There is always a comparison, right? We all do feel sometimes that I wish I was like that. I'm not saying out of a bad intention or something like that, but out of like, I wish I had, a life like hers, how they look, 12 on the timer, how they look, how they walk, how they carry themselves. I wish I had something like that. And then the energies spread like that. And it's perfectly fine. And out of that judgment, people give you suggestions which may not be aligned with you. So seek help from a professional or from a person who would not judge you, who does not know you that well. Don't go out and reveal all your secrets. But yes, speak in a manner that you're able to say the main situation, but in a manner that people will not be able to decode where exactly this is coming from. Be smart enough, hide that 20%, speak only 80% of the information that you have. This is one of the message that I had to give it to you. Okay. Being authentic self. Really doesn't matter whoever you're speaking with. You are supposed to be quite authentic person. You are supposed to be speaking the truth. Stop worrying about judgment. Judgment is coming in too much. Stop speaking acceptance, liberation. Okay, blessing and curses breaking into bloom. So something might be spoken to you which might hurt you, okay, which might break you. But this is your breakthrough moment, which is trying to tell you that it's okay not to believe everything that you see. It is okay not to expect anything out of people. Oh my God, there is a third eye opening for sure. There is someone who's watching you. If you see in both the images, there is someone who's watching you. I don't know if you're able to see it. Someone who's watching you, who's keeping an eye, who's trying to, make you feel a little ashamed of how you are. Again, the judgment is too much into this reading. You need to love yourself. You need to grow with your own mentality. Be very much authentic. Have that confidence in you that you are right. Have that liberation, understanding that what I am doing is right. I don't have to go by the society norms. I don't have to go into something like what I don't believe in. Again, what I don't believe in, I don't have to follow that. Whatever this is, if you feel like I need to dress up like this for some traditional event, I want to dress up into one piece and go, it's okay. That could be your willingness, your tradition. You have to think out of the box, and you are someone who thinks out of the box and do it. You're not doing it. You are just following the crowd. Don't be someone like that who follows the crowd. Be someone who knows how to stand your truth. One card for this collective, please. I would want one. I would want one card, just one card from this deck. Your throat chakra. You need to clear your throat chakra. Start speaking aloud. Start saying everything. You need to clear your throat chakra. Take that first step. Initiate. Yes. Initiate by expressing your authentic self. Stop worrying about how people would take me. Stop bothering about judgments of others. Again, judgment is too much. Wisdom. Go ahead and upgrade yourself. Go ahead and take that moon water blessings. That has to come out. Moon water blessing. You are getting somewhere which might make you little arrogant, but that's okay. These energies of number 9 is making you feel, that things are 16, things are kind of, it's giving me a vibe of someone is jealous, and they might make you feel like, there is some kind of ego in you that has come because of the name and fame that you have recently got. Because people are appreciate, what's wrong? Throat chakra. Because people are praising you, let's change. People are praising you, hence it is getting on your nerves. Someone trying to tell you this, and hence you're getting hurt. And it's okay. Don't take their aspect onto you. Arrogance won't come in because you are someone who is ascending. If there is some kind of an anger, try to control and ask yourself, is that person making me angry, or is that person giving me a sign that there is something that needs to heal within me? When you ask yourself questions constantly like this, what is it that triggered me, and why am I supposed to react to it, or what is it that is stopping me, that is either outbursting, making me outburst or react to a situation? When you start working on these emotions, you start healing in a better way. So yes, please be careful of people around you who might make you feel like you are getting more arrogant. Be down to earth, walk on the grass, do grounding techniques. Let not fame and you deserve. Forget it. I don't want to go there and say, don't take it to your heart. Of course you deserve it. Go ahead and take it. I would rather say it. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of unknown. There is lots and lots of spiritual work. Oh my God, look at the cards. I'll just show the cards now. There is a huge transformation on the butterfly. There is a huge transformation on already with you all guys. And this transformation is your inner child, your inner self, your higher self. The interior work is on, the spiritual work is on, the interior work is on. In this society, almost every other flat is going ahead with the interior. Yeah, of course, this is a new one. So yeah, there is an interior work going on and spiritual work that is going on, and this is bringing in growth and winning. Fertility and winning. Some of you might literally be getting pregnant if you're looking out for a sign. When would I get pregnant or something? This is one of the signs for you. Yes, you're getting pregnant. You are growing in your business. I've just started. This is my startup. I don't know where my life is heading. Yes, you're getting fertility. You are growing. You are getting that growth. The freedom that you have been craving, the solutions that you have been looking out for, that solution is coming in, honey. There is fertility. There is growth. You are someone who is downloading the information and you are winning. You are definitely winning. Universe is trying to say that invest it in the right way. Okay, don't just go ahead and spend, but invest certain things in the right way, in the right directions, and see how things are going for you all. I would want to take one last tarot. I would want to take a tarot now for you. I haven't touched these tarots since so long, so it's like, let's see. Things are getting better. Things are growing. Don't get hurt by others. Judgment is fine. People will always judge. You cannot change anyone. You cannot do anything about others. So stop worrying and bothering about. Thank you. I want to close it because these cards, the energies would be different. Turtle, a good luck coming your way. Turtle, a good luck coming your way is what I'm listening. Universe, help us know what exactly this card is going to go through. Ooh, King of Pentacles, paisa, money is coming your way. Don't worry, don't hesitate. Whatever steps you are taking, slowly but surely, you are getting solutions for everything. You are getting that money. Keep going, because whatever you're doing is working in your favor. It's only giving you abundance, 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 abundance. Please don't go back. Don't be bothered about people's judgment. Don't be bothered about people's judgment. Don't be bothered about what people think. Judgment has been something. The justice is done. You are getting paid for whatever you have been working on. You are not supposed to be bothered. Cats could be one of the signs. Feather could be one of the signs. Colors could be one of the signs. Check with the colors. The blue, the indigo color could be one of the signs. The green color would be one of the signs. Brown could be one of the signs. You are getting multiple options, okay? And these options might come with different shapes, will come with different forms. Choose what is more aligned. The confusion would be somewhere around what should I choose in this, and choose something which is more and more aligned. Okay, one last card. I don't know what is that one thing. Let me take the card from this one. Oh, I have not used these. Your problem has two solutions, okay? Your problem has two solutions. Listen to your intuition. In doubt, take a leaf. Okay, one of the things. Whenever you're in a doubt, take a leaf and drop it and see which side it goes. Like, you decide this is first option, this is second option. Just drop the leaf and let it fall on the side. Wherever it falls, that would be your choice, because grounding is one of the options. Wow, that was one of the thing. The key, the lock is your. Don't go with the handwriting. I'm sorry. The lock is your, and the key is here, and the heart is here. Heart could be one of the. Okay, see the sync. Okay, there is a heart shaped lock and there's a key to it. I don't know if you're able to see it, and there is a key to it. You are getting solutions to everything. And a queen and the king era begins. Whoever you are, the timeline has begun. Trust the flow. Go with the flow. Believe yourself. Know your intuitions and stop bothering about judgments of others and see the magic happening. Be blessed. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel. That is the energy exchange for me for these videos. Om Namah Shivaya.